Alright, let's do tank view now. So let's do this. Sorry about that. See the tank. And date's literally right. Seriously, the date's literally right there. 2017, 0321, 0131. That's weird. It's just two dates right there. I don't know why. So here we go. Yep. Excuse me. Oh, there's another day right here too. I didn't see that. It says March 24, 2017. I didn't know there was another date right there. Alright, let's put the tangler back on. Let's go. Alright, let's pause video camera. Let's do this. Alright. Alright, let's do this. Alright.
Slurring on my words. Slurring on my words. Slurring on my